Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve day 17 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 2176. Count equal and divisible pairs in an array. So let's read the problem statement first. We have given a zero indexed integer array nums of length n and an integer k. Right? We have to return the number of pairs I and j where I should be less than j, okay, and both of them should be from 0 to n, okay, in this range. So such that nums of I is equal to nums of j, and when I multiply the indexes, okay, I into j, it should be divisible by k. Okay, so see this example number 1. So let me just give the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so if you see this and this, so both are matching, both numbers are matching. So now just multiply these two indexes. So you are going to get 0 into 6 is equal to 0, which is divisible by 2. Okay, done. Then after that you see that this and this number is matching. Okay, so if you do now 1 into 5, so you are going to get 5 only, right? 5 is divisible by 2, no, so we are not going to include this. Okay, so next time if you see this 2 and 2 both are matching, right? So here 2 into 3 you are going to get 6, which is divisible by 2. Okay, same way here nums 2 is equal to nums 4. Okay, both are matching. Here 2 into 4 you are going to get 8. 8 is divisible by 2. That's it, right? And here after that nums 3 is equal to 4. Okay, both are matching. 4 3 12, so 12 is also divisible by 2. Okay, so we have to just apply this formula. Okay, and we have to find out the count. So in this example number 1, we have total 4 such cases, right? So output is 4. Same way here no number are matching, right? Since no value in nums is repeated, there are no pairs I and j that meet all the requirements, so we are returning 0 output. Okay, and constant size is very small. Okay, so it's very easy problem. Okay, we are just going to use this simple formula, right? So now let's write the code for this one. Okay, so here first of all let's just calculate the length of nums array. Okay, so after calculating the length of this nums array, you have to run two loops. Okay, for int I is equal to 0, and you already know that I should be less than j, so here I will run until n minus 1. Okay, and here I plus plus, right? And same way inside this you have to run one j loop. Okay, and j is going to start from I plus 1, right? And j should be less than n, and here j plus plus, right? And here you have to just simply apply the formula, right? If the nums of I is equal to nums of j, right, this is what you are going to do, right? And here and condition, and here inside this you have to write I into j. Okay, you have to multiply the indexes, right? I into j, and here just do the modulus with k. Okay, if it is equal to 0. Okay, so in that case only you have to increment the count. Okay, so create one count variable as well and initialize it with 0. Okay, int count is equal to 0, and in the end you have to just simply return the count. Okay, so that's it. So the time complexity for this approach is going to be of n square. Okay, so let's run the code and see if there are any code issues. We'll try to fix that. So see here all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.